and definition of tuning machine. Okay, definition of tuning machine, and what is the concept? The concept of the tuning machine, how it recognizing the languages. Okay, so the tuning machine, it is one of the powerful machine. So it is like equivalent to digital computer. Okay, it is like equivalent to digital computer. So whatever uh, task or computation performed by the digital computer, same thing is performed by the tuning machine. Okay. Make nice. So the tuning machine has the three components. Now we are going to studying the model of tuning machine. So it has the three components. Uh, as you know that in PDA and finite state machine, uh, this is a control in it. This is a control in it. So that means so it has a finite number of states. Finite number of states. Now the tuning machine has the input tape. This has the input tape. For example, the input is A, okay, B, okay. So after that, we are going to place the blank symbols. These are blank symbols, and left side and right side. Okay, you can replace. You can place the any number of after input string. Okay. Now the read write head is there. This is pointing to the current input string. Okay. This is a read write head. Read write head. Okay. So this is a model of tuning machine. This is a model of tuning machine. So the first one, input tape. The input tape. So this input tape is divided into the number of cells. Each cell can store the information of only one symbol. Okay. This input tape is used to store the information and is divided into the number of cells. So each cell can store the only one symbol like A, B, and like this. Okay. So the input string is scanned from the leftmost input symbol. Okay. What is the leftmost symbol here? From here. Okay. From here, it starts the scanning or reading the read write head. Okay. So this input string is ended with blank symbols and before also blank symbols. Now the second is a read write head. Okay, this read write head is pointing to the current input symbol. Okay. So see, as you study the finite state machine and push down automata, in that the this is control pointer. This control pointer is pointing to the current input symbol. So here also same thing, but it reads and writes. Okay, The specialty of this read write head is it reads and write. Okay, so that we will see how it read and write. Read is the same as it is in finite state machine and push down automata. Okay, so this is one observation in this tuning machine. So the pointer is write the some symbol. Now, so what is the second observation? So the blank symbols. Okay, the blank symbols. Next observation. This read write head is scanning from left to right, right to left. Okay, but in the finite state machine and push down automata, it is only one direction. It is only one direction, but the direction of this read write head is both directions, left to right and right to left. Okay, right to left. Okay, this is one more observation when compared with push down automata finite state machine. So the first observation, we are going to write this some symbol. The moving of read write head is from left to right, right to left. Okay. So now next is a control init. This is, you know, what is control init? Is a set of finite states, finite number of states. Okay. So this is a model of tuning machine. Okay, it has three components. One is input tape and read write head and control unit. Okay. So this is about the tuning machine. Now we will see the definition, mathematical definition of the tuning machine. So is there any doubts in this model of tuning machine? So is there any doubt this model of tuning machine? So stack we will see how when it requires. Okay, so in coming classes we know that how we're going to take this stack. Okay, so generally this is the model of the tuning machine. Okay, this is a model of the tuning machine. Okay. So now definition of the tuning machine. Okay, definition of the tuning machine. So TM is a tuning machine. Okay. M is now it has a 7 tuples. It has a 7 tuples. Q, sigma, tau, delta, Q naught, and B and F. Okay. So this is a definition or mathematical definition of our mathematical model of tuning. Okay. So in this, some of the items you know already. Okay, what is a Q? It is a Q is a set of final state. Q is a set of final state. Now sigma is the input alphabet. Sigma is the input alphabet. Now tau is a so we will see tau. What is a tau? Now delta also we will see tau and delta is a transition function, and q naught is a initial state. Now b is a blank symbol and f is a finite set of states. Okay. So we will see here what is a tau. So tau is nothing but so input alphabet union. Now we are going to write some symbols. Okay, we are going to write some symbols. So for example, write symbols. Okay. Now union blank symbol. So B is a blank. Okay, blank symbol, that is B. Okay. This is a tau. Okay, this is a tau. Okay. For example, sigma equal to A comma B. Input alphabet is A comma B. Okay. Some write symbol X comma Y. Okay. These are the variables W. Now B is a blank symbol. So how to write this one? A comma B, X and Y and B. Okay. So this is a tau. Okay. This is a tau. Okay. Na? So understand what is the tau here? So understand this tau. What is the tau here? So I think so. Is there any doubt in this tau? So now transition function. Okay. Transition function. This transition function varies from the finite automata to the push down automata to the tuning machine. Okay. So this is how to write here transition function. So Q is a state. So Q is a set of state. You can select any one state from the Q. Now this is the tau. So we can read any symbol, this tau symbol. Now the read write head is direction. What is the direction? This is the left direction, right direction. The read write head is moving to left or right side. Okay, that is left comma right. Okay, so this transition function takes the state comma stack the tau alphabet. Now the read write head is moving left or right. Okay, so it is maps to the it is going to the some state q and tau. Okay, tau alphabet. Okay, so this is the transition function of a tuning machine. Okay, what is the state name? Tau alphabet. Now the read write head is moving left or right. Okay, now it goes to the state q and some tau alphabet. Okay, na? So this is a definition of the tuning machine. Okay. So is there any doubts in this transition function? So you can clear in the example. Okay, I think if you are not confused, if you are not understand this one, so you can understand in the example. Okay, so now we will see some examples. Okay. See here some concept. For example, a man. So a man is there. A man. So uneducated man. Okay. So he doesn't know how to count some bags. For example, this is a room X. Now this is a room Y. Okay. This is a room X. This is room Y. So in this room stored some cement bags, C1, C2, C3, C4. Now this cement bags. Now this is sand bags, S1. Okay, S2. Now S3 and S4. Okay. So this is unmanned. He doesn't know how to count these bags. So that means here in X room, how many bags here? 4 bags. Y is how many bags? And bag 4. So now I want to find the how many bags are there here in this room. How many bags are there? So equal number of bags are there or not? Okay. So in these 4 bags and in these 4 bags, how he calculates? How he calculates? So what is the how he calculates? So he doesn't know how to calculate. So how we calculate? For example, so use some technique. So she first visit the X room, okay, and mark it this is C1, okay, X. Some mark it some number X. Now again he visit the Y room. He mark the one bag. Now again he come to the second bag, and again he come to this room and mark the. Now again he come to here and mark it. Well, again come here, mark it. Now again come here, mark it. Again comes here, mark it. Okay. Now again come here, no bags. Again come here, no bags. So here the number of bags are equal. Okay, the number of bags are equal. Okay. So like that, this man is doesn't know how to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. He doesn't know, but he used some method like this, and he marked and visit each room, first room, after second room, and he marked. After marking all, if further if you don't have any bag, X room and Y room, then he conclude that so the number of bags are equal. The number of bags are equal. Okay. So this is the concept. So used in a tuning machine, as this this concept is used in tuning machine. Okay. We will see some example. So for example, L equal to A power n, okay, B power n, where n greater than or equal to 1. Okay. So for example, n equal to 3. N equal to 3. What is here? 3 A's, 3 B's. Okay. 3 A's, 3 B's. Okay. This is the input string placed in before we can place the blank symbols. So this is infinity. Okay, this is infinity. So B. Now this input tape is divided into number of cells. Okay, this is a input string. Okay, how the tuning machine process this input string. Okay, the control the read write head is pointing to the leftmost symbol of the input string. This is the leftmost symbol of the input string. Okay, first it reads. Okay, first it reads the input string. Then what is the language here? Equal number of A's is followed by equal number of B's. Okay, so first it reads the B. First it reads the A. Now it marks the X. Okay, it marks the X. That means so it count 1A. Okay, it count 1A. So then it finds the next B. So the equal number of A's and equal number of B's. Okay, equal number A's, equal number of A's and equal number of B's. So after read, write, then the read write head is going to find the first B. Okay, is going to try to find the first B. Okay, first B. So before finding the B, so we have the number of A's remaining n minus 1 A's. Okay, so in that case, just it moves. Don't do anything. Okay, just move. Okay, just skip here. No need do any operation here. Okay, just move right side. After right on AX, you move the right side until you find the first B. You find the first B now. Now mark Y. This is mark Y. Okay, marking Y. Then after that, you immediately turn left. After finding the first B, you mark Y. Okay, mark Y. So what is the meaning here? 1A, 1B. It is equal count. Okay, na? So now after marking Y, you immediately turn on left side. Turn on left side. You move to the until first X you are going to find. Okay, until you can. So visit the A, again come to A, again come to first X. Now the control is here, first X. Okay, first X. Now after that, again you immediately turn right. Okay, now visit the next A. Now you read and write X. Okay, now come to second B. So if you read A, now skip. That means don't do any operation. Now come to Y. So if you any number of Y's, you can skip only. Okay, just you can move the next location. So Y here, move right, again move right. Now mark it, make it as a Y. Now again come to the first X. That means this is first X. Okay, after second B, this is the first X. Come to here. Now again turn right side. Now make it X. Now, so now here what immediate is Y. So immediately after A, after marking A, last A, immediately we are counting the Y. So we are counting Y. That means here we don't have any A's. Okay, don't have any A's. So now again move to the right side until, so to find the B. Now it is mark Y. Okay. Now again come to the first X. That means this is a X. Okay, this is a X. Okay, now turn on right. Then you don't have any A's. Now move to the until if you get the B's. So now here you don't have any B's. Now we are find the blank symbol. Then we are getting we are accepting this language. Okay. So this is a process of tuning machine. How when you provide this input string, then it process like that. Okay. So again I will repeat this one. Okay. See here, A 3A's 3B's. Okay, 3A's 3B's. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఏస్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బీస్ ను మనం మ్యాచ్ ఆర్ కంపేర్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, సో ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఏస్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా, బీస్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా చెక్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, సో దానికి ఏం చేసినాము, ఇవి మార్క్ చేసినమాట. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆన్ ఏ యూఆర్ మార్కింగ్ ఎక్స్. నౌ ఫస్ట్ బీకి రా. Okay, Y, you can mark it. Mal again second A, mark it. Now come to second B, mark it. Now third A, mark it. third B is mark it. Okay. After that, you have the any you don't have any B's. Okay, now. So now this string is accepted. This string is accepted. Okay. So in this, you observe the direction of the read write head. That is, it moves the left or right. Okay. Now we are writing the some variables or symbols. Okay, on input symbols. Okay, this observation. Okay. So read write is moving to both direction. Now writing some symbols. Okay. So that indicates the we are comparing. Okay, equal number of A's and equal number of B's are there or not. Okay, to mark it. So if you mark it, if you mark it first on AX, that means we are counting 1A. Okay, we are counting 1A. Okay, so we are comparing whether equal or not. Okay, equal number of A's and B's. Okay, so this is comparing method. Okay, this comparing method. So just now you have seen unmanned. This is person A doesn't know how to count. Okay, doesn't know how to count number of boxes in 2 rooms. Okay, so he marks and some X and Y. Okay, based on that he observed that they are equal number of bags. Okay, so this is a concept. Okay, now please you log in with the same link. Okay. So now, is there any doubts in this? I will discuss more examples. Okay, don't worry. Still, if you have any doubts, just ask me. Okay. Is there any doubts in this? Okay. So all problems having same concept. Okay, you are replacing some X and Y. Okay, now some Z based on the input. Okay, na?